Hey everyone, welcome to Long Arm Wednesday. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mama Pop Quilt Shop, and we're very happy to see you here today. We're working on a beautiful customer quilt. She's new to the quilt shop, and she made this lovely Scrappy collection and turned it into a lovely quilt. So what we have here is like 2-inch squares, all lined up with a lovely sashing in between, or border fabric, whatever you like to call this, as it goes a huge long strip, and then it's bordered out with the same size. So, and we got a beautiful, beautiful blue backing. And she chose a heart and swirl and wanted thread to match the back. And let me tell you, I love, absolutely love the way it's looking on the front. So let's continue. Walt's finishing off its second row. And doesn't that look gorgeous? Oh, it's electric blue thread. She wanted something to match the back, and that's exactly what we did. And it pops so beautifully on the black, as well as some of the scrap fabrics inside the quilt itself. So if you're never sure of what to do with some of your bits and bobs or in your scrappy bits of fabric, putting them together in this sort of way, you could even just do a color in a black square and a color in a black square. Like I have this fabric. I don't even know where she got that one, but I have this fabric. We put that in the Irish chain. So what? Wonderful. It's so nice to I just realized that actually. It's beautiful. I'm trying to think of anything else I have in here. I think I have that one in my stash. Some of the other ones I do not. They're very pretty. Very, very pretty. Love that purple paisley right there. That's gorgeous. And the way the electric blue thread really shines up and shows up so vibrant and eye-catchy on this quilt, to me, makes it sing. When you have a bright colored thread that you don't really want to blend, I'm like, we could have probably, you know, I don't think anything would have blended because of the color choices, but, you know, you just want something to stand out. To me, it sings. It sings. It's like, see me all my beauty in quilting, you know? And then that adorable little heart and swirl is one of my very, very favorites. That pretty much suits any quilt. If somebody says gender neutral or very neutral on scale or anything like that, I'm like, hearts and swirl. Why not? Why not? Beautiful. I just hopefully this quilt will encourage people to do something different with their stash. If they're not sure what to do, maybe this will help encourage them. This is a lovely lap size quilt. It's about 46 this way, and I think about 50 something, 58 maybe this way. So that's a fantastic, good lap size cuddle quilt for the couch, whatever. Great for a munchkin. Absolutely stunning. And I just love how that blue just jumps right out on the black. Love that. Love that, like, plaid sort of green fabric. That's gorgeous. I love that. So we have a few projects that we'll be doing here on the quilt shop today for the video. So this is just one of them. We'll give you another minute to watch on Walt, and then we'll jump into the next project. Okay, see you in a smidge. Hello, and we're back with another cute and adorable project. Let's just resume our stitch out here. This is a lovely little strip of fabric that actually has a flower piece on either end, and then it was just done with a nice big strip on either side of those pieces to build it out to a lovely little quilt. So she really liked the color, like the denim or bluey color that was standing out here. And then this lovely little butterfly stitch out. Isn't that adorable? So quilts don't have to be complicated. You can start off anywhere. If you want to make something with a younger one and don't want to make it too complicated, this is a great way to start. You can just have fun just picking a couple of colors. Maybe even put a strip in between. Put another border on either side. Have fun with it. That's the whole point of, you know, enjoying a craft and having a good time with it. It's just enjoy. Now this is as a little leaf and a swirl and a butterfly. And it won't take very long to do. And we spaced it nice and big so it'll be comfy and really pretty. We didn't want it too dense. Love the peachy color of this fabric here and the beautiful little flowers. They look quite lovely. And the back is just a lovely flowered fabric, matches completely. It's almost like it was a kit maybe. Yeah, be inspired by your own fabric. You may have just a nice big panel piece. Some panel pieces aren't, you know, directional, and they don't always have something specific on the front of them. They're just a nice big chunk of fabric, and you can use that as your inspiration to start building out your own creation. Love that swirl. Pretty thread choice. And it's such a cute little butterfly too. And whether it be on piece or just plain fabric, it looks beautiful. I guess we'll just let Walt finish his job. So, thank you everybody for watching, liking, and subscribing. We greatly appreciate you here at the Mom and Pop Quilt Shop. We had an amazing weekend on Saturday, November 21st. It was Pop's birthday. We had a 12-hour stream. We had a fantastic time. We gave away a bunch of little goodies. So, you know, it was good fun had by all. So thank you everybody who came over and hung out with us and wished Pop a happy birthday. It was very nice and very kind of you. Thank you, thank you. You made his day extremely special. So thank you everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification button. We don't want you missing a thing here. And we'll see you very soon, okay? Take care everybody.